The Apple Watch Series 5, either you're going to love it or you're going to hate it. Big competition including Samsung, Nordgreen and Fitbit are all going up against Apple. So is the Apple Series 5 really worth your money? Well, today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts with you on what I think on the Apple Watch Series 5. So as an Apple standard, you get that clean cut packaging. Inside you have the watch itself, the straps, the plug and the charging lead. So new features also include a much more accurate GPS system, but let me get back to you on that one. So we no longer have 16GB storage, we are now upping that to 32GB. That means that you can actually use more apps on the watch. It means more accessibility to apps and notifications that you wouldn't necessarily have got from the previous series. Now, Apple claim there is an improvement on the always-on Retina display. I personally haven't found this to be an improvement at all. If anything, I think it's the worst feature of the watch. And the best feature I think that Apple have included is that the watch is able to access the internet better than the previous series. I can access the internet, which is brilliant for things like cooking recipes or if I want to quickly look up the price of products. So let's just dive straight in to see what I like about this watch. First thing that came to mind was the new navigation system. I absolutely love the navigation system. I've noticed whilst I'm driving, if I have the sat nav set up on my phone, the directions also come through onto my watch. It also vibrates every time I'm getting closer and closer to a turning or a junction. And even better, I didn't have to carry my iPhone when I was navigating my way around Brighton. I was able to see the map on my watch and it was following live at the same time. I personally think that Siri has improved on this watch. For instance, I'm able to go, "Hey Siri, what's the weather today?"
It's currently cloudy and 23 degrees.
It's nice and easy, and especially when I've got my hands full, I'm able to use that. The unique selling point for a lot of smartwatches is its capability to be able to track fitness. It has its usual fitness capabilities, but you can see this video here where me and George checked out the Apple Watch Series 5 and the Fitbit Versa 2 to see which one did better in that. Right, let's discuss water. It's waterproof. All products have that small print on the bottom which always states that the product might not necessarily be completely 100% waterproof. However, with the Apple Watch, it's waterproof for up to 50 meters of water. That is mainly because Apple have created this feature where you can push the water out via the water crown. And no, there have not been any glitches as of yet, touch wood. And it's just those small things that make life a little bit easier. The watch actually unlocks my MacBook, which is really handy so I don't have to type in my password every time. Now back to that point about their new feature of the always on Retina display. I don't enjoy this exaggerated movement where I have to turn my wrist to be able to get the screen on. But the worst part is that even if I do the exaggerated movement, it doesn't necessarily turn on. But I did notice from another YouTube video that when you turn the watch on its side, it actually turns on. Now another problem I found is that when you have lots of apps open, you can't clear them all in one go. Whereas all your notifications, they build up over time and you're able to push and clear all of them at the same time. Similar to the iPhone, you have to slide every single app and close them individually. At its default price and the default materials, you get this rubber band strap. It would be nice to see a new design in the straps and maybe a different type of material at the default price. Is it worth your money? Absolutely. From your fitness guru to your business person, it is perfectly capable of helping you out in different situations. I highly recommend this, and I'll leave a link down below to Apple's website where you can purchase one yourself. If you enjoyed this video, then why not hit that like button? Share it amongst your friends if you found this useful, and why not leave a comment if you have an Apple Watch yourself? Take care and I'll see you in the next one.